Oh.
What is this, Dante?
Drinking the water from Scrappy.
Okay, well you're doing pretty good so far. Bring your hands to your knees.
Fine. Hey. Excuse me.
Who's outside, Dante? Go check!
Dante, what are you doing? Ew. Wow, Dante. Nice.
What were you saying before? Alright, go check the living room. Wait, actually wait.
You hungry? You ready to eat? We're gonna have some chicken, some liver, some fish oil. Yeah? Okay, good boy. Hi. Yeah, you did a good job. Yeah, you did a good job. I know, Dante. You're so cute. You're a kitty. Oh. Yeah, you're so cute. You did a great job. Yeah, you did. Dante, sit. Sit. What a good sit. Oh, what a good sit. Good boy. Ready to go home? This is Peach, you guys. She's gonna be Dante's best friend. Oh, Dante! So good. Come. Come. Peachy girl. Hey girl. There you go, slobbery boy. Come on, camera, focus. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below for any other video suggestions that you may have, as well as don't forget to subscribe and click on that little notification bell right next to it so that you get notified every time I do post a new video. Don't forget to check out our merch store. We have merch now, so if you are interested in checking out our products and what we have available, you can just scroll down on this video and you'll see all of the products that we have in store. It's a great way to support our channel, and I'm really, really happy with how the design turned out. It's Dante and Peach and they look super cute, so I'd really appreciate if you guys do go and check it out and support our channel. And don't forget to check out the courses over at Fenrir as well. If you guys are having any trouble in training your pups, or if you just want to get more knowledge in general, I highly recommend those courses. They're very informative and they have helped me tremendously. So all of that information is down below. And with that being said, I hope you guys like this video and I can't wait to post the next one. So see you guys until then. Bye!